Hey, welcome to this page. So if you're here, I'm assuming that you want to learn how to write a Medium. And this page is going to teach you exactly that. So I'm not making big promises here. I know it will do that because it contains all the information you may need about learning that skill. So what's interesting about the format that we're using here at SkillUp Academy is that you can expect the same format out of every skill. So you know what to expect right away. And it's a format that works. So we go from different phases, which one of which is going from 0 to good. Another one is going from good to great, and another one is going from great to unstoppable. So what that means is basically the first 15 hours, we tell you how you should prepare, what you should practice, and how you should think about how you should reflect about your journey so far. And so we do that for the first 15 hours. We do that for 100 hours and 1,000 hours. And obviously, we've got a big list of resources, but everything's curated. So you know that when you're looking at our resource section, it's top quality stuff. We also created skill trees, which you can go on Amberly. And this allows you to just get more info, get it in a more visual way. See other resources, see what you should focus on. So it's very, what's the best word? It's very interactive. So we're going to jump right into this page to show you what I'm all talking about. Okay. Boop. All right. So this is the page here, and I include a table of contents here. You can download in PDF format if you'd rather print it or put it on your tablet or even on your Kindle. So it's all possible. You can jump in the table of contents to, for example, resources here. So these are the skill trees that I was talking about. So for each of them, I divided it into the first 15 hours, first 100 hours, and this one is completely zoomed out. So first 1,000 hours. So when you navigate through that, so you can click here to open an Amberly, but you can also interact right from here. So you can scroll using your mouse. And if you see that number here, it means it's the number of resources that we link to. So here's an article about, it's a formatting guide. A bunch of articles about tagging. And when you see these dots here, that means how important it is at this stage. So formatting here in the first 15 hours is actually really, really important. And the heart means this is something you really should focus on. So this is for the first 15 hours. So this tree really is going to be used for all of the phases. So this is what you should focus on for the first 15 hours. If you look at the one next to it, you're going to see that it's a little different. There's more dots. The hearts are placed differently. And if you look, for example, at formatting here and here, if you compare, so this one I had a heart, which meant that this is what you should focus on. And this one has that goal marker, which basically means that by this point, you should be really good at formatting. So you've previously learned that in a previous step. And it's the same format here, obviously, for the first 1,000 hours. You're going to learn a lot more. So there's a lot more things going on here. Underneath that are trainers, so people that can help you with learning how to write a Medium. Some tools to help you understand your stats better. A full list of courses here, a bunch of books, really good articles, some videos we've recorded here, some websites you can look. And now we look at the phases here. So the first 15 hours. So for each of them, we included a mind map, which is a more visual way of showing you what you should be doing. So for all of them, you've got your expectations. Let's see. Can I zoom here? All right. You've got your expectations. So what you should be able to do within the first 15 hours. In this case, what you should prepare during that time, the things you should practice doing, and how you should reflect on your progress. So this is a very big section. And obviously you've got the text version of all that. So if you want more info, it's all here. And we repeat before we repeat, for each practice section, you've got the checklist. So you go through and you basically check what you've done. So have you done this? Have you done this? Have you done this? Have you done this? After 15 hours, you should basically have done all of these things. And then we get to the next phase. Again, we use the same format, but obviously the content's different. Same with the text here. Everything is different, but the format's the same. It includes the same checklist, and we do that again for the first 1,000 hours. So I believe that this is the best. It really is the best resource you can get on how to learn writing a medium, and we're going to keep working this page as we do with other pages. If we find more better resources, we're going to include them. If things become less relevant as the platform evolves, we're going to update the resources as well. So it's always going to be up to date with the latest things. We're also thinking of interviewing experts for the skills. So that would be really interesting to get their point of view on what works, what doesn't, how did the platform evolve, and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, for now, if you want to learn how to write a medium, this is it. This is the best way to do it. And if you want to learn how to learn or learn how other skills, or learn other skills, you might want to check the index here when you search. Or we've got some free tools for you, paid tools as well, some courses on how to learn. Really, if you want to learn how to write a medium, if you want to learn any other skill, this is SkillUp Academy is where you need to go. All right. See you guys.